Here we go, guys. Welcome to Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, newly opened in Moorpark. In 2 days, we were able to lay down the 40,000 square feet of wheat barrier, stapled down completely, ready for the rain. And as well as we managed to put the storage over here up front. So all the tools, materials, fertilizers, all the stuff is already going inside the storage right now. Beautiful, beautiful. 100 plants aligned, everything nice and beautifully all the way down. And we have lots of, actually I didn't expect to see so many ripened fruit right now. We have Lisa over here. Look at this. We have the Lisa, we have San Ignacio, we have the light variety over here. It's already open. Look at this, Enigma. Look how many big fruit. 1, 2. This is easy. £1.25 to £1.5 fruit over here, ready to eat. And another set of beautiful sixplets over here. 6 fruits over here. Then another set is over there. 3, probably around the pound weight. Okay, we got the George's white and George's red over here. Pretty good size. I love it. Okay, Laverne as well. I harvested the big Laverne today. I'm gonna ship to my family. That's another Laverne over here. Here we go. And what else we see over here? I see the flower buds on yellow Palora. I see more fruit over here. Okay, there is few Home Depot variety and the George's white variety I see over here, as well as we have the more delight over here. Wow, I didn't expect to see so many ripened fruit when we pack everything. And the sugar dragon as well. One tiny, probably so hungry right now. I'm gonna grab this one. Look at this, the sugar dragon, and I'm gonna eat. Straight from the plant. What a reward at the end of the day. Sugar dragon, such a good flavor. Okay, look at this. This is the Laverne, my famous, amazing variety. I love it, and I'm really gonna continue to grow it more and more. So Laverne variety is highly recommended. It has a good source of pollen, lots of pollen, big fruit up to 3 pounds. You remember I had the record of the 3 pound fruit years ago. This is the Robles red. It's getting ready to be harvested probably very soon to holidays as well. We still have the Michelle, Mr. Wu. Here's another getting to the winter variety, the Israeli yellow. Have lots of nice, pretty good. I see it pretty. I like the color. It's such a cute lemony color. Over here is another one trying to pull out. It's such a lovely varieties over here. AX still on the back I see as well. Then my gosh, I definitely gonna get big mileage over here by walking, just to see all my plants all the way down. At least, half an acre right now, but it's pretty much like about 250 feet one side, and multiply everything by 4. There's a lot. Look at this, lots of harvested fruit. Oh, this is gonna bloom tonight. Yay! Welcome to the new orchard. Lovely. Okay. Oh, look at the size of the Lisa. It's another £1.25 at least. £1.25 fruit. So lots of yummy and tasty varieties. Looking forward, guys, to see you. And I see over there the Mr. Wu. I see the Laverne white over here is breaking completely. So it's time to eat this one. It says I'm ready to be eaten tonight. Look at this. That's the size of the delight. That's the size. Easy £1.5. Easy £1.5. Mature plants, and happy seeing. So still lots of here the small cuttings that we grow during the year, whenever people were able to come and grab it. They had chance before. Right now it's on sale, everything as well. So let me know. We still have some varieties over there, definitely. And Physical Graffiti and Breed and Lake Atitlán I saw, Laverne I saw, Nitzel. There is still tons of flowers and plants for sale. It's another one coming. This is Laverne. Look at this. This is going to be ready in probably about a week or so. The Valdivia Roja is over here, sitting enjoying the time. Mr. Wu is on the back. Now I need to get used to, because it's completely different settings right now. And I definitely would love. Okay, that's American Beauty, and mixed with the Dark Star over here. So such a lovely. This is another example of the Laverne. I cannot wrap it. I need 2 hands to wrap this fruit. Laverne variety. Such a yummy and tasty variety. Has a good flavor. Beautiful magenta color of the fruit. Very light seeds, so little crunchy seeds, but you're gonna love this variety. Laverne red is must to have as well, and it's a good pollinator. Some people asking me to get the Laverne variety for their cross pollination with another variety, not just to get the bigger fruit, just because it has lots of pollen as well. That's another sample over here. So I'm just gonna walk forward. Definitely next video is gonna be more and more. Oh, I'm gonna show you I put it on the side over here. It's gonna be on the back. It's gonna be here the line for the passion fruit. So we're gonna grow passion fruit as the wind barrier, as well as the protection from the wind that coming from this channel, and as well as we're planning to grow some passion fruits. So it's gonna good source of vitamin C as well. Okay, so this is Tricia. Look at the size of this fruit, but actually just split open already. Probably gonna have to eat tomorrow. I want to taste it, but that's the flesh. So this fruit is around pound and a half, and still more flowers coming in. And this flower was probably a couple days ago. So life is going on. Okay, here's the San Ignacio collection. Amazing. I didn't expect to see so many fruit. It's already getting ready, because they were sitting in a pile over there with my dragon fruit maze, and very, very nice to see so many fruit waiting for me to be harvested. So I just denied all the people around. They said, I told me, no more fruit. So this is another one. I believe it's the George's red over here, because I got one George's white one side and George's red due to limitation of the space. So now I believe this is the George's, probably. Yeah, this is George's red, and another branches, and this is the branches of George's white. So now I can see the difference completely. So I get used to this one. Okay, and this is another sample of the branches and George's red fruit. Okay, so still continue, lots of work to do. Enigma, lovely and beautiful Enigma. So love to see so many fruit is coming. Okay, happy seeing you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Very, very important. Please get subscribed to my channel. Lots of new. Hopefully we'll do. I will probably have to set up some kind of like a invitation and celebration with your guys' appreciation and helping support to make this transition. It's very hard. It was very hard relocation, but we did it. It's amazing. Thanks for all the volunteers. Thanks for all your financial support with the GoFundMe as well. Very, very happy seeing you guys. You're welcome. Please send me your invitations. Send me your request to get the address and everything, and I'll be happy to see you. We'll do celebrate before the Thanksgiving, hopefully. Thanks a lot. Alik, Nature with Alik, 323-547-1273 from the beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. All the best. Bye-bye.